MELF.
Pickle.
America.
My bird's way better than yours, by the way. Just saying. Yeah, aren't you pretty? Yeah.
Alright, afterwards we're gonna put helmets on them and have them fight. These two are about to fight over me. They're literally fighting over Captain America right now. This is Bucky and Falcon fighting over who's my best friend. You're Bucky and you're Falcon. So, looks like Falcon lost again. Good job, Bucky.
Sometimes you'll get a mating pair and they'll feed each other big to big.
Oh, okay. I thought you were going somewhere else with that. I understand. You get me. You really get me, Bucky. You're my only friend. I mean, Black Panther's awesome and everything. And Tony, forget about Tony. Just me and you, Buck. Till the end of the line. What's your bird's name? Uncle Ben?
No, gonna name this one MJ.
MJ.
I'm never gonna let her down.
Good thing you didn't name it Gwen, because then you get in trouble if the bird dies.
There you go, MJ. Eat up. Oh, you're really going in there, huh? Okay.
Eat up, Buck. We're gonna put you in a deep freeze after this. Thanos is here. We better go.
This is the superior way of feeding birds. Eat your heart out. Parker could never feed the birds this well.
Hey!
Oh look, I got two. Ah. Uh-oh. I think they're mating. They're just all over me. They're all over Dr. Octavius. Oh man, they're all over me.
So what?
Winning the superior feed.
You're so superior, you became the Vulture and Spider-Man.
Yeah. Become quite the foursome. Oh yeah, this feels good. Oh, I got another one. Yeah, fight.
You don't deserve this.
I do.
No, you don't.
I earned it. I took you and molded you into something far better, far superior. You cannot match my intellect. I am Dr. Otto Octavius. You guys better put in the good word with Michael Keaton for me.
I'll take this one from you.
Good luck.
Okay.
Oh, no, come on, no. He wants to come back. Look, he's running away from you. He's running away from your food. Come back to Otto Octavius. Come on, come to me. Good Michael Keaton. It's good Michael Keaton.
He's on my head. He's on my head.
Look at this.
I think he just pooped on me.
Oh, that is hilarious.
It did poop on you.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
How'd you see that?
I just knew it. I felt it.
That's poop.
That's gross.
That's hilarious.
I knew a bird was gonna poop on me today.
Good luck, man.
Whatever. Is it on my suit? Look, it's on my suit.
It's good. Just on the shoulder.
All right, cool. Just don't make my head wet.
Briefly.
Yeah.
Mine
You're
doesn't
lucky.
come
He
off.
just flew away and pooped.
Oh, good.
Lucky.
I'm superior.
Actually, you're unlucky.
I make my own luck.
I can't see it. Oh, I can't see the poop.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on my shoulder. I feel it. I just watched this thing. I really just watched it. I knew this was going to
He's
happen.
Spider-Man. He can't afford too much laundry detergent.
No.
Don't tell anybody, but I'm in Hydra now. Hell Hydra. Hi, I'm Chris Evans. And today I'm sweating a lot because I'm in Wakanda. But I've taken my sweat and I put it in this little cup. There's nothing more delicious than Captain America's sweat. Don't believe me? Just ask these birds. That's right. Drink my juices like Agent Carter did. Yeah. That's right. Natasha. This one's gonna be called Natasha. And the other one's Agent 13. And the one that looks like it's gonna die is Agent Carter. I'm gonna give this to Bucky too when he wakes up. These things are fast. It's like fighting Spider-Man at an airport hangar. Bird.
Bird is the word.
Oh, they were like mouth to mouth.
Like I just got to see them.
I caught one.
Do they have these on your home planet if it still existed?
I don't think so. They're too cool for that. They're pretty though. Can I get one? Oh God, that one just pooped. Oh God. I'm gonna get pooped on, aren't I? Scared the jeevers out of me.
Come to the cup as if the cup was, you know, the movie Spider-Man Homecoming and you're the audience. Because we're associated with Marvel Studios now, you're gonna flock to us like it's gold. Come on. Oh, here we go. This one wants to buy in. Yeah. Have that Marvel goodness. Yeah. We can do no wrong here at Marvel. Yeah, we keep the fun up. We have all the bright colors, unlike the Zack Snyder movies from the DC Extended Universe. We up the color saturation here. All right, come on, come to Marvel. Drink from the fountain of goodness. Lots of money to be made here with Marvel Studios. I hope they do Superior Spider-Man one day. Oh, they look pissed.
They look like DC fans.
Yeah. Oh God, look.
These are the DC fans.
This is the reenactment of Marvel vs. DC Scuttle online. The comment section of any given movie. Oh, someone's getting recasted. No, they're not.
Ben Affleck as Batman. No!
Oh, someone got angry.
I just got pooped on.
Hi, I'm Chris Evans, and I'm here to feed you. Just like Bucky. Oh, I'm gonna call this bird Bucky. You're my new best friend. Are you 90 years old too? I wonder if Tony can give him a metal arm. I wonder if Black Panther can. That'd be so cool. Bucky's still sleeping. It gets a little lonely without my main man, if you know what I mean.
That's it, Agent Carter. I named this bird Agent Carter. I just gotta lick my wood clean. Only in Wakanda. That's it, Bucky. Eat it all up, baby. Come on, Michael Keaton's relatives. You know you want some. Drink from the Marvel well.
Oh, don't be stubborn. They're waiting for Justice League. Sorry, Supergirl. Not that you're gonna be in that movie anyway.
Natasha always is pissed off at me because she wants to bang me, but I say no, because I'm a virgin.
The hell is that?
Yeah, work for it. Yeah, work for it. How bad do you want it? How bad you want it? He doesn't like Spider-Man.
Who's gonna get this bird to eat? Battle of the Spider-Man, let's go. I'm superior. Come on, take mine, take mine.
No, take mine.
Take mine.
Is that my wood?
My wood's superior.
What's that? Mine is.
Mine's better, come on.
Oh, I have nothing on
Yeah,
mine.
you got no wood.
Oh, man.
Yeah, superior. Oh, he's back.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Mine.
Come on. No, you'll never win, Parker. Come on.
Mine.
I, Dr. Octavius, have the superior intellect. I will be the superior bird feeder.
Stop dodging me.
Yes.
Don't dodge it. Stop it.
The vulture played right into my hand as well.
No, catching it.
Yeah. Superior.
I just want to be a little more. There you go.
Oh, you want this? You want this? It's the better stick. Superior stick. Lick it clean. Like MJ did to me last night. You know you like it. That's a good girl. Good dirty girl.
I just got pooped on. That bird must have been a Hydra agent.
If you poop on Captain America, you poop on America. Therefore, you poop on freedom.
Don't poop on freedom, kids. I'm Chris Evans.
Got better things to do. I gotta fight the Scorpion. Or rather, Tom Holland has to fight the Scorpion because I'm just from the comic book. I'm probably not getting my own movie. Superior Spider-Man out.